The twin burner Gico Chap Chap burning. I thought I'd show you this one because it's a good example of how the technology works. As you can see, you've got one loading bay for the wood, but the flame is split along the two fire tubes and it comes up into the burners here where you put the cooking pot. This creates a fast and very clean and efficient flame, also very hot. It burns extremely quickly and cooks very fast. So here we have some of the stoves that we've made for field testing. 20 have gone to Nakuru and 20 have gone to Thika, and this is what we use to process the results for our questionnaire. These are the templates that we use for cutting. These are computer CNC cut, and these templates help us mass produce for the stove, which is here. Here's Benson using one of the templates to cut out the pieces for the material. This is the fastest and most efficient way to get a really good quality product at the moment, based on current production levels. Here's Susan. Susan is making the handles for the removable fireboxes. This is the next round of stoves that are being made. As you can see here, we've got a power swager, a slip roller, we have a bender, we've got our own press that we designed with our own special tooling. These are all things that we've designed and have made in Kenya by ourselves. Here we have the Develatech spray booth. We come inside here, you can see the latest batch of stoves that have been sprayed. Thank you for taking the time to view my application. I hope you've liked what you've seen. So far we're a small company, but we have huge aspirations and we have a very strong design, very good team behind us, and we're looking to grow in a very big way over 2040. Thank you very much.